Okay guys, we'll build something like this. So when you open the file or HTML file or whatever file, so you or React.js, so you'll see something like this, and when you play it, so it will flow. Here you will have volume controls, and it will totally stream from the backend. So you can just go forward. It's the auto loading also like YouTube. So it's very easy. Everything is on the backend is like little bit on the front end. So yeah. So let's just start it. Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you like how you can stream videos with the help of Node.js. So if you like watch the whole video, I guarantee you'll know how to do it. So let me just make quick folder. So here I'll say client. So here all my client thing will be there, like HTML part. HTML part is like little bit only. Everything is in the backend Node.js only, and here server. So every Node.js work will be in server and client the HTML file. So let me open with code. Yeah, so let me just make a quickly one file, and we'll name the file as index.html. Yeah, so now here we'll say html/html, and here we'll say body, and here we'll say /body. Okay, nothing much like normal, but here we'll just add one video tag, video, and we'll say src. So we'll run it on port 4000, http ://localhost port 4000. So like the node server from where we'll serve the video, and width will make it as 1080 or whatever width or height you want, and here we'll say controls. Okay, now we'll just end this video tag /video. Okay, so you can directly open it like this also, like this. See, it's running, but it can't get the file like stream. Or you can like open it like this also with live server. So I'll preferably use the live server. Open with I think there should be a live server option. Open with code and close this file. Yeah, so it's go live. So it's running on port 4000. So we'll say local host. Yeah, so like port 3000 local host. So it can be different in your point of view. So and you can run directly like this also. Okay, so let's just get back on the node or start the node thing. So okay guys, now come the Node.js part where we'll code basically everything will be there. So this is the video, so which I'll be streaming. So you can see it's just a woman doing normal exercise, nothing much, and I'm in the folder called server. So let's just install few dependencies before that. So obviously we'll node express and node mod to automatically reload whenever we do any changes. So let's just install it quickly. Till then they will do open with code, and here we'll make a new file called index.j. okay, yeah, we'll do index.js, and everything is installed. So now we'll make an app. Let me make it a little bigger. Settings, yeah, it's 18 only. We'll say const express equals to require express. Then we'll say const app equals to express. Okay, we have made an express app. Now we'll say app.run, app.listen, sorry, not run, on port 4000. Then we'll make a console. dot log up and running on port 4000. Okay, let's just save it and try to run it. So we'll say node mon index.js. okay, it's running on port. So we'll say app.get base URL and we'll take request comma response sorry guys. Then we'll rest.send hello world. Okay, so let's just check it. Localhost port 4000. okay, hello world it's showing, so everything is cool. So now comes the base part. So for reading the file we required file explorer, or we call fs require whatever its full name, I don't know, I just call it file explorer I don't know why. So because I use a more of Android mobile. So yeah, so now we have required fs. now we'll say range. So const range equals to request dot headers dot range. So this range is like is from where the video should start, from where the video starts. So like a video should start from 00 from starting, or video should start from like 10 seconds, or video should start from 20 seconds. And this thing you don't have to send it, it's like when you use that video tag it automatically got sent. okay, so you don't have to send it. So we'll do console.log, we'll say what we'll get here. Okay, okay, we are not getting anything for now, we'll get when we'll use it. So range is basically from where the video should start. So next is video path. So const video path, and our video path is I think this folder only. I have kept file as exercise.mp4. yeah, exercise.mp4. now next is video size, const video size. So we'll require the video size obviously. Then we'll say fs dot file module dot stat sync video path dot size. So we are reading it synchronously and getting its size, getting the size. okay, and this is path. So I'll just comment it so you can just easily grab it what is happening. Then we'll have chunk size. So const chunking. So we'll just write chunk. Chunking means like if you have a like large file, suppose 10 GB. so chunking what does, like it splits into 1 GB or 100 MB in whatever size you want. okay, it's like splitting of the data. So we'll say see chunk size. So we need a size of at least like 1 MB, 1 into 1.e6, 1e6. So this is equal to 1 MB, this calculation. So we'll like send 1 MB of data in chunk. Then we'll say then we'll change it to number. We'll say const start. So we are telling okay start. So we got the range. okay, we have to start from this range. So what we'll do, but these things are bytes, but we need in numbers. So we'll say number range dot replace, and we'll say slash slash d slash g comma double quotes. So we are like just taking all the numbers, and so we can like it's regex. So basically we are getting from where we should start the number. Then we'll do, then what we have to do, say get parsing starting position, parsing starting position. Okay, now we'll say ending position, like till when we have to send it. So we'll say const end equals to, so in end we have a little bit complication, because suppose we are sending 1 MB of data, or like a 10 second of video, you can take like this. So we are in the like last second, so there like there will be not another 10 MB or more video. So in that case we should send the last part only. So for that we'll say start plus chunk size, and we'll wrap it in math dot min, whatever is minimum, start plus chunk size, chunk size. Now we'll say video size minus 1. So whatever is the minimum, it will send that data as endpoint. Now after that we'll say const content length equals to end minus start plus 1. Okay, so like this you have to do, like from end minus start, this is the content length, like from end, like obviously 10 minus 0, so it will be 10. So we are doing like our 10 minus 2, it will be 8. So we are telling end minus start plus 1, because you know it's start from 0 programming. Checking nahi, taking minimum value, getting content length. Okay, so like this. So now we have to send this out. Before that we have to use some headers. You don't have to do in front end anything, like whatever is done is done. You just have to do everything here only. So in headers we'll have content dash range. So we'll send the range. So we'll say this basis. So these one are like what do you call, like this slash, not single colon or double colon, it's like this one. Okay na, like this. If you can see what are these, like it's like whatever it's called, I don't know. So here we'll say bytes, then we'll say dollar. Okay, it should be inside here. Yeah, start, then we'll say minus dollar end, and we'll just divide it by dollar video size. Okay, so like this our content range will be. Then there should be accept range, and it will be like bytes, so we'll accept in bytes. Then we'll say content dash length, and here we'll say content length. So whatever we have calculated above, what is the length of the content. Then we'll say content dash type, so it will be obviously like video slash mp4. so if you have something else, you have to specify that. Now it's done. Now we'll send it back. So we'll say rest dot write head 206. I think 206 status is for like streaming. I don't know, maybe because I just said they use 206. Then here we'll say headers. Okay, and why is showing error like this? Yes, dot right here 206 comma headers. Why it's showing? We'll put a comma. I'm not expecting response, I'm accepting response, and my bracket are end here. But why it's showing me this? Rest dot write wrat write head head brackets 203 headers. Will save it. I think I forgot something here, some bracket or what. Accepted expected comma. Why will you expect a comma? Okay, yeah, there shouldn't be any comma. And now we'll just stream this pipe. So we'll say const stream equals to fs dot create read stream, and here we'll say video path, and we'll tell from where to start and where to end, and then we'll say stream dot pipe, and here we'll just say res. Okay, and we'll just save it. So now everything is done. We just have to run it and check is there any error. So everything is running, no problem. So we'll go to localhost and we'll just reload this, and I think there is some error. No such. Okay, exercise.mp4, it can't find the file. I think I have to give the whole path, but it should work. Exercise.mp4, it's in the same folder, yeah. Exercise.mp4. Okay, let me give the whole path. Yeah, let me copy the whole path, and we'll just paste this whole path, and we'll just make it double slash. Yeah, now just save it, and it's up and running. Now we'll just reload this. I think there's some error again. Array, I wrote the wrong spelling, yeah. Exercise.mp4. That why I was wondering like why it's not working. And it's loading. Yeah, so video is up, so you can just play. Here is the volume. You just cut low, down, full screen. So everything is here. You can just go back and you can reload this. See, now it will again run, and server is also working fine. See, up and running, no error or warning. So yeah, thank you guys.